Hello, my name is Sofia Alba and I started a new video format on my channel. Well, the time for a review of ProCreate app has come. I was asked before why I didn't draw in this app. Well, because I didn't have such goal and preferred traditional media. Now I am faced with the fact that the traditional technique of pastel drawing didn't cope with the task that I set myself. You could already see my work with the Parrots. I decided to bring it to the end. A feature of pastel technology is a difficulty of transferring work to digital media and post-processing. The original photo was lackluster. The brightness of picture lost, especially when fixative was applied. Then I decided to use the ProCreate app to complete that artwork. The goal is to restore brightness, saturation, volume, and add some details. A suitable brush has been found and customized. Now that artwork looks like a completed illustration. I like that ProCreate allows me to make a precision setup of a brush to get a result that presents a real pastel in the best way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and new videos will come soon. Bye bye.